De la Cruz versus Segovia, GR number 149801, June 26, 2008. Sometime in July 1985, Florida wanted to purchase the lot 503 and 505 located in Santa Mesa, Manila for 180,000 pesos, registered in the name of Renato de la Cruz. Short of funds, she asked her sister Leonila to take lot 503 for 80,000 pesos, but Leonila, with only 36,000 hard-earned savings, Florinda advanced her 64,000 pesos for the full payment of the said lot. It was only on September 1991 did the sisters enter a payment scheme agreement. However, Florinda filed with RTC on March 1996 a complaint annulling said agreement on the ground, among others, that since her husband Renato did not sign it, thus making it void. Issue: whether or not the subject agreement is void. Article 124 of the Family Code provides that the administration of the conjugal partnership is now a joint undertaking of the husband and the wife. Although Renato did not affix his signature to the agreement, his consent was drawn from the fact that he was present at the time it was signed by the sisters, and their witnesses had previous knowledge of the said agreement. Hence, petition is denied.